delivering food to stray cats using RC car. Banana flavored minced meat bread. Fruit fiber is good for their guts. Cat meat is their daily basic energy source. Cute freeze-dried food. Powder of cat grass.
Ready, go!
Let's stop here. Their ears are extremely sensitive. He looks so anxious. A very harmonious picture. You kittens are so amazing. I am afraid they won't leave any extra food. They quickly ate up everything. Oh, you don't have a chance anymore. The right one stretched itself after it was full. You two really have excellent appetites.